Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update today. Oh no, what happened to the market? Oh, the market is falling down. Time to cry now. I don't know what's going on. Is the bull run going to end? Is SHIB never going to kill a zero? And this and that. Oh well, yesterday I actually mentioned on my Discord that everyone has played hide and seek. Okay, everyone played hide and seek in their childhood. If you didn't play, I feel bad for you. Then probably that means you are 2000s kids, because 90s kids actually had an awesome childhood. But the thing is, you see, there's this zero, okay, the figure zero, okay, and that's what I want to kill, but it's hiding somewhere. It's playing hide and seek with me, so it's gonna take time. Give me time. I actually used to tell you when SHIB was down at 900 and 800 that I need some time to pump it up. I did it, okay, we did it. Eventually the market, after pumping up like this, you can actually see some movements like this as well, and then go to the upside, which is pretty normal, man. It doesn't mean you start to feel worried or anything, okay? Rest assured, pretty much somewhere down the road I'm going to be killing the zero. So formation of a bull flag got rejected. We had a flag here, but unfortunately that flag didn't pop to the upside, which is actually a problem. Okay, this is a little bit of an issue. So let's look what exactly where we're gonna go and maybe stop. So I think liquidity is actually down to 2554. That's where you have your new floor, or maybe I can say support, because previously you did get some support over there. Now you can see this one actually became very successful. You went up like this, you made a flag here, you popped to the upside. Actually, on a perfect world, I did expect that something very similar to this may have happened, okay? Now, thing is, you may just come down a little bit to 2583 and hold it, and maybe start to go to the upside one more time. Okay, I'm not actually bearish on anything, probably not even this here. Okay, I'm actually pretty bullish on most of the altcoins out there. Another thing is that maybe it's time to get a hold of the 20 EMA. This can also be a possibility. The worst case scenario is you may actually just go for a very big correction all the way down to 1982, which is almost 2000 here, touch the 55 EMA, and maybe just go back to the upside, which also still isn't a very big issue. Okay, uptrends will have correction, and nothing goes up without coming down. It's just that we did expect a flag to be broken above and go upside, but it didn't. But so what? So what? Okay, nothing changed. The perspective is that long term we're still pretty good. But one thing that I spoke about yesterday or 2 days ago is that if we saw this moving up for another green candle in the next 2 days, that could have been really good and healthy for SHIB to continue to go to the upside. But unfortunately that didn't happen. But who knows, we still have 2 days, 12 hours until we do not really close the candle, and then from there again we might see, maybe there's a little bit of a chance for SHIB to climb up in 2 days. You never know. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next round of office.